Hi there, I'm Trevor Hinkle, and I work on the electricity map team, part of an open source project that shows the climate impact of electricity around the world. Electricity Map is a open source visualization and collection of data parsers that shows the carbon footprint of electricity that's being produced and consumed all around the world. So if you go to electricitymap.org, the kind of front end of our project, you can see where electricity is being produced and consumed. Where is it coming from? Is it coming from wind, solar, gas, nuclear, etc.? Where's the power flowing around the world, and the carbon footprint at any given time. Over the years, Electricity Map has been built as part of a community, and we've had thousands of contributions, particularly around getting new data on Electricity Map. So when you are on electricitymap.org, you can see that there are some areas which are colored in and some which are gray. And so the areas which are gray are areas where we don't have data yet. And so we're always welcoming contributions for people who are interested in hunting down new data sources. We're particularly looking for hourly data that is updated every hour with a breakdown of where power is coming from in any given region, how power is being produced, as well as the cross-border physical flows. So if electricity is being imported or exported to neighboring grids, that's an important aspect of what we do. So if you're interested, we would love for people to help build new parsers and add new data to Electricity Map in those gray areas. But also, if you see an error with an existing area, we'd love for your help to integrate a new data source or correct something there. And then also, if you're interested in helping out on the kind of user experience and data presentation side of things, we'd welcome your insights there as well. So to work on the parsers, to help contribute data to Electricity Map, it will definitely help to have some development skills, particularly knowledge of Python, data science, data engineering, these kinds of things. But if you go to our repository, then you'll be able to see we've kind of given you some guides, and you'll have all the other parsers as examples that you can look to help kind of get on your way to integrating new data sources that you might find. But also, if you don't happen to have these skills, then you can also help contribute again by suggestions and ideas on the user experience, presentation side of things. And if you have knowledge in electricity systems, energy systems, then your insights, any comments you have are more than welcome. And I guess the last thing to say is that if you don't have knowledge about, again, these technical skills, you still, lots of people know about local data sources, open data that we don't know about, that we can't keep track of. So you may have some unique knowledge about your home region that could be helpful for us getting that region on Electricity Map if it isn't already on there. So to get started, you can just go to our repository, Electricity Map, Electricity Map Contrib, and there we've written up a guide of how Electricity Map works, as well as how you can contribute, giving some suggestions on first issues. You'll see all the things that we've been working on. And that's the place to go, I think, to get started. I would also recommend looking at electricitymap.org to get an idea of the overview of, how far we've gotten in our mission to map out the world's electricity emissions and see where there is still to go, and maybe that might give you some inspiration. So we're looking forward to seeing you guys contribute and on our repository. Reach out to us on Twitter at electricitymap, and we're looking forward to your contributions and working with you over this period.